Good morning.
Good morning.
On behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome you to this event. And we would like you to introduce yourself, about your organization, the passion that you're into, and what prompted you to into this textile industry, and how do you foresee going forward from this place?
Good morning. Thank you. So I'm Madhumita Sarkar Guha and I am from West Bengal, Kolkata. Into the industry of interior architecture for the last 22 years, and passion is what drove me into the textiles. So sitting in Kolkata, surrounded by all the crafts and artisanal heritage that we had in Bengal, I wanted to put it up on the global platform. So that's what drove me into textiles. So here we are at Bharatdex 2025, Greater Noida, trying to showcase the products that we make. So we are manufacturers of exclusive hand-woven textiles, including Jamdani. Now, Jamdani is a very age-old craft, and we needed to put this conservative craft onto something contemporary and put it out for the global audience to feel it, source it, and buy it off us. We are already exporting into US, into Japan, into Australia, into EU, especially Spain, France, Italy. So what we are doing for them is we are doing Jamdani resort wear, which is like a very exclusive thing. My buyers, they tell me that people who once buy Jamdani always come back for Jamdani.
That's true.
So yeah, so that's the kind of finesse that we are trying to portray on a garment. Yes, it is a very tumultuous ride for us because as a small-scale manufacturer of a very niche craft, we find it difficult to compete with machinery. But yes, we are doing it in our small way.
But then people are moving to against the handmade handicrafts rather than the machine-made as of now.
Thankfully, yes. Thanks to all the efforts that the government has put up, thanks to all the consciousness that has risen in the whole world, for that matter, for slow fashion. We are trying to find a voice for ourselves, and well, thanks to you people too for putting it out there. Because that's how the efforts, they all collate and they make it into a larger, stronger voice. So we are into slow fashion and adhering to 14 of the 17 SDGs, so which is like very effective in terms of putting up livelihood and simply to elevate any kind of poverty, any kind of hunger, any kind of gender inequality. We're trying to do all that. Again, one artisan at a time, one weaver at a time, one village at a time. So presently we are working with about 300 plus weavers throughout the year. For us, what matters is the loom should not stop functioning. So when I started this in 2016, I went around in many villages in West Bengal, and I was aghast at looking at all the defunct looms with cobwebs on it, and it was like, kya karenge yahan pe? How will we even start working with it, and how will we even compete with the kind of things that are there out even in India, other crafts that are there. But yes, we have come a long way and we have miles to go again, as they say.
Right. On behalf of VC Media, I would like to thank you.
Thank you
for your time, and we wish that this handicrafts of India now showcases across the globe.
Very soon we are coming, in fact, sorry interrupting you, but then very soon we are coming out with men's fashion with the kind of fabrics and textiles that we are making. So people, again, everybody is so attuned to wearing polyester on their skin that they don't know, they've forgotten the touch of a pure hand-woven cotton, which really is luxury. So handmade is luxury. So let's not forget that and go ahead and make this popular in our country.
Any messages for the masses from your organization?
Lux Living.
Lux Living.
Okay, Lux Living is promoting, producing handwovens for the masses. It is for the masses to rise up to the occasion and acquire that piece of handwoven textiles and proudly wear them. And it's not just about what you're wearing, it's about how you feel when you're wearing it. So that is what we are wanting.
Extremely thoughtful of you, and we wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.